Take a simple stone. You immediately notice its weight, its color, and its texture. In our standard mental model, the stone is the primary physical object, while its color and weight are merely abstract adjectives, labels we use to describe it. For centuries, historical consensus across many Indian philosophies, like Nyaya Vaisheshika, mirrored this view. They treated qualities as invisible attributes that lived inside a physical substance. But the Samkhya philosophy rejects this entirely. It takes that relationship between an object and its attributes and flips it upside down. This shift matters because mistaking a quality for a label means we overlook the literal materials that construct our entire physical and psychological reality. In Samkhya, qualities do not exist as abstract labels. What we perceive as an adjective is actually a foundational physical potency, a literal substance. The texts call this foundational concept guna. It serves as the cosmic source code for this entire system of thought. When we treat qualities as physical ingredients, we stop passively describing the world and start recognizing an active, hidden architecture. This framework is triguna. Infinite universal qualities are generated by three base substances. First is sattva, the intelligence stuff, defined by illumination and buoyancy. Second is rajas, the energy stuff, providing action and mobility. Third is tamas, the mass stuff, providing restraint and envelopment. These represent literal physical building blocks, mass, energy, and intelligence, that forge the fabric of everything in existence. These three forces never operate in isolation. They form a cooperative system, constantly supporting and producing one another. The Samkhya texts use the metaphor of a lamp to show how entirely different elements cooperate for a single outcome. A lamp requires a wick, oil, and fire. Each is a different material, yet they must work together to produce light. The three gunas interact in this same way to generate reality. Every object, trait, or mental state we experience is simply a specific ratio of sattva, rajas, and tamas vying for dominance. Because these three primary ingredients are in constant flux, the infinite variety of the material world is actually a derivative appearance created by their shifting balance. This system scales to the largest possible level, dictating the life cycle of the cosmos itself. Rajas, the kinetic energy, predominates during creation. Sattva, the balanced intelligence, takes over during sustenance, and tamas, the heavy mass, dominates during destruction. The exact mechanics that govern a human emotion also define the stages of the universe: a surge of activity, a period of order, and an eventual collapse into mass. The linguistic roots of the word guna connect to the verb to measure, implying a limit to our knowledge. But its most literal translation is a rope. Just as three individual strands twist together to form an unbreakable cord, sattva, rajas, and tamas intertwine to bind reality together. This rope chains pure, passive consciousness, known as purusha, to the physical world. This makes the physical world an intentional mechanism, utilizing these three forces to tether awareness to the realm of matter. This leads to the ultimate Samkhya realization. The universe contains zero static objects with secondary adjectives attached to them. Our reality is a continuous, intricate dance of intelligence, energy, and mass in a constant state of transformation. Understanding guna forces us to stop seeing ourselves as observers of a passive world, revealing that we exist inside a vibrant, interconnected engine of reality.